Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's go over another medium question in the database/pandas category that I just solved on my own. So again, really happy that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem without any assistance and do it relatively easily. And yeah, I thought this one was very straightforward. And this one's called Department High Salary. It's a relatively early question and it's asked by a few famous companies. So let me show you how I did it. This one is straightforward. Just want to return the employees with a high salary in each department. You want the department employee and salary. So let's go ahead and create that scaffold. Department employee salary, and then return it at the end. Obviously, that's just how I like to do it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the highest salary in each department. So use the department ID as the key because we want to segregate it by that. So for IE and enumerate employee department ID. So DE dot append. So we want the salary and then the name, and then also the name, the salary, and also the department, which we're going to map here. So let's first get the name and then the salary. So the name is employee name of I, and the salary is just employee salary of I. Okay, so now if we print our dictionary, we have everything for each department. Let's type list. Okay, cool. So now we have to find the biggest salary in each department. So let's call this BD. That's going to hold, for example, for one, it's going to hold 90,000. We're just going to find everything that has 90,000. So for K and D, for A and DK, the biggest for the current is going to be max of biggest A of 0 because, well, A of 1. So let's DE. Yeah, that's fine. We can do it like this. I think we don't even have to sort it because this is what's going to give us the biggest. So BD of K is equal to biggest. Cool. So now we have the biggest. Let's loop through again. For A and DK, if A1 is equal to the biggest, which is just BD of K, then we can include that in our answer, right? So let's go ahead and say, let's go ahead and print A. Cool. So Jim, Max, Henry. Awesome. Now we just have to get the department. Let's call this DD. For I, D, let's call this V and enumerate department ID. DD of V is equal to department name of I. And then for A, let's go ahead and actually get, so 1, 2, 3, because we have 3 columns in the output. 1 dot append A of 0, well, it's supposed to be 2, 3 dot append A of 1, and then 1 dot append the actual department name, which is going to be so K is supposed to be the key, so it's just going to be DD of K. Okay, so let's print 1, 2, and 3. Department. Cool. So it doesn't matter which order we return it in. Now we just populate. So bring this back. 1, 2, 3. Right. Very straightforward. Let's run this. Nope. Why? Oh, department. Okay. Submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. Again, really glad that I was able to solve this one on my own and come up with my own solution without any help. And I thought it was pretty straightforward and pretty easy, not too many test cases, also relatively efficient. So again, thank you for watching. If you found value in this, please consider subscribing and stay tuned for more.